Once upon a sunny morning, in a meadow full of tiny flowers and sparkles, lived a tiny, fluffy kitten named Kitsi.
Hi, I'm Kitsi the Kitten. I love butterflies, and naps, and warm sunny spots.
But today, something tickled Kitsi's nose.
Achoo!
Out came a magical sneeze. Not just any sneeze, but a glittery, sparkly, rainbow-scented sneeze.
Oopsie! Did I just sneeze sparkles?
Butterflies twirled, flowers danced, and a rainbow appeared above her head. Everyone in the meadow smiled, because Kitsi's sneeze made the world a little brighter.
Achoo! That tickled!
And from that day on, every time Kitsi sneezed, a little bit of magic filled the air.
See you next time! And don't forget your tissues! Sparkly ones! Kitsi the Kitten, so cute and sweet, sneezes glitter with tiny feet. Meow meow! See you soon!